YouTube. How y'all doing? I just had to come check in this morning. This rising. I never say morning, but I don't know what happened. But anyway, anywho, Grand Rising. I just wanted to come tell y'all this is the fourth day of my camping trip, and in my vehicle. It's awesome. I don't know when we're going to start on the RV, but this car camping, it's a challenge. I would tell anybody to try car camping if they thinking about purchasing an RV, um, living off grid. I got this thing right here that I use for a air conditioner. That was a hold on. How do you turn this around? Nope, I don't know how to turn it around. I don't know, guys, but this is it right here. I went and got this. It was my air conditioner, and I woke up this morning. It was freezing. I might can show y'all my truck, my window coverings. I'm all closed up in here. The lights ain't on. And my table and stove and everything is outside. But the the birds chirping in the morning, waking you up, like being outside but still inside, is like, I don't know. I just had the best time that I've had in a long time by myself. Well, not by myself, I ain't by myself, but just getting trained, just learning how my power stations work, just learning, how to monetize my solar, how to, be more aware of what I have in my water. A lot of things are going to help me do this once I move in my RV full time, and kind of just to show me how to work things. All right, guys. Thank you.